Hello dear students. In this video, we are going to start the very important exercise of English grammar, that is reordering of sentences or jumbled words. This exercise comes from class 6 to class 10th, so it's very important. See, in this, some words are given in jumbled way and you have to arrange proper sentence out of it. Now I'm reading you the sentences given and their answers. Revered / all over / Dalai Lama / word / the / is. Now the correct sentence of this will be: Dalai Lama is revered, meaning respected, all over the world. Dalai Lama is revered all over the world. B sentence is: lives / as a / very / simple / he / monk / life / a. He lives a very simple life as a monk. C. 6 / for about / a day / sleeps / hours / he. He sleeps for about 6 hours a day. Now your next exercise, we are going to start. Second, social / is / John Abraham / many / associated with / causes. Answer is: John Abraham is associated with many social causes. B of second, a / lover / is / animal / passionate / he. He is a passionate animal lover. Third, C of 2, campaigned / birds / he / caged / free / to. He campaigned to free caged birds. Now I am repeating all 6 answers. Dalai Lama is revered all over the world. He lives a very simple life as a monk. He sleeps for about 6 hours a day. John Abraham is associated with many social causes. He is a passionate animal lover. He campaigned to free caged birds. Now one more exercise we will do today, which is going to come in the next slide. Rats / is / more / truth / that / dolphins / are / the / intelligent / no / then. The truth is that rats are no more intelligent than dolphins. These are many stories about dolphins saving drowning sailors. They save anything which is about the same size. The answer is: they are clever to learn and do tricks. Dear students, to do sentence reordering correctly, first of all, you should make a proper habit of reading English continuously. If you will be in habit of reading English continuously, you will have complete idea of subject, verb, object, adverbs, and after that you have to try to grasp a meaning out of the jumbled words. Only then you will be able to follow or to convert jumbled words into sentence reordering. I am repeating the answers of this slide, exercise 3rd. The truth is that rats are no more intelligent than dolphins. These are many stories about dolphins saving drowning sailors. They save anything which is about the same size. They are cleverer